Hi everyone. I'd like to take a few minutes to recommend an excellent documentary which I think everyone in the community will appreciate. Antarctica, A Year on Ice, is the culmination of 10 years' work by Anthony Powell, an engineer and accomplished photographer from New Zealand who has lived and worked in Antarctica for 2 decades. The documentary is a few years old now, and it may well be that some of you have already heard of it and seen it. Personally, I was unaware of it and only recently discovered it through its recent release on Amazon Prime, and I imagine it slipped a lot of other people by as well. Also, some of you may have heard of Anthony already, as he's come into the Flat Earth spotlight thanks to some excellent 24-hour sun time lapses, and he's no stranger to their anti-science agenda. The film is a labour of love from Anthony. It's an independent work showcasing Antarctica's stunning environment through the use of some beautiful time-lapse and hyperlapse photography, shot mostly at McMurdo Station, along with a more personal insight into those who work there and a particular focus on the winter months. There is overall very little dialogue in the film, most of that coming from a series of talking head clips from a handful of Anthony's colleagues describing their experiences of working in Antarctica. The photography really takes centre stage, supported with brief explanatory notes from him throughout, making this a very different experience from bigger mainstream documentaries. The time lapses are not just stunning, but very much unique to Anthony, because he spent a lot of time putting his engineering skills to work in creating custom rigs in order to obtain footage unlike anything else you will see taken in this environment. I was able to watch this on Amazon Prime, but it may not be available to stream in all regions. There is a DVD available however, so it shouldn't be too difficult to get to see it. Please give this independent gem a try and give Anthony's hard work some appreciation. I'll leave a link to a time-lapse demo reel that Anthony posted to YouTube several years ago prior to the film's completion. Anthony himself is on Twitter, where he often shares his photography, which is truly stunning, and I'll share a link to his profile in the description as well, so you can check him out and hopefully give him some well-deserved praise for his work. Thanks guys, hope this has been useful. Be sure to let me know what you think of the film if you watch it, or if you've seen it before. Cheers.